Hello and welcome to the tutorial on robotic process automation using Uipath. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. It is a technology used for software tools that automate the human tasks which are manual, rule-based or repetitive. Typically, it is like a bot that performs such tasks at a much higher rate than human alone. These RPA software bots never sleep and make zero mistakes and can interact with in-house applications, websites, user portals, etc. They can log into applications, enter the data, open the emails and attachments, calculate, complete the tasks and then log out. So each and every terminology in robotic process automation means robotic indicates an entity which has the capability to mimic human actions. Then process indicates a sequence of steps that lead to a meaningful activity of tasks. And then automation means the tasks that happen automatically without the human interaction or intervention. So let us go ahead and see the example on a robotic process automation and how to do it with the tool using Uipath. So this is a basic task that we are going to do it with the help of the Uipath tool. So to build a workflow that prints hello world in a message box. So let us go to the Uipath Studio software wherein we can create the workflow of printing the message hello world. So this is the layout of Uipath Studio wherein we can create the processes, we can install the libraries, we can open up the existing projects, we can have different templates such as orchestration process, background processes, and we can have the robotic enterprise framework and all. So in our case, we shall just consider a simple process creation wherein we try to print an alert message or in a message box that is hello world. So let us create a process by clicking on this process. It will open up a window wherein you have to give a name for the process. So here I'll say hello world. Yeah, hello world is already an existing one. So here I'll say hello world 1. And in the description I can provide the information related to this particular process. I'll say simple hello world message process. So then I'll create it. Just hit on the create button. It will take a minute of time to load all the libraries, dependencies that are required for working out with the process. It is creating the workspace for us wherein we can define the process, or you can say the workflow, wherein we alert with a message box that is hello world. Okay, so here we go. This is our Uipath Studio wherein we have initially created the process. Okay, so on the upper section we have all of these options. The first one is to create new processes, new sequences, new flowcharts, state machines, and global handlers. And we can save this as a template if we want. And then this is the tool to debug and run our workflows. And then we have manage packages section, where we need to include several packages which are required for working out with automation examples. And then we have this recording section, wherein we can record the entire set of process, so that the Uipath Studio will give you a sequence of actions that you have performed while recording. And we have screen scraping, wherein the information on the screen is captured using this tool. And then we have data scraping, wherein we try to scrape the tabular form of data from any web page or any application, something like that. And then we have user events section, and then we have UI Explorer and several other options which will help us to build the processes or workflows and then work out with them using the orchestrators. And on the left side of this, we have three sections. One is the project tab, wherein the details related to the project are listed out here. Various packages, various activities that are being added to this project file are indicated here. And the second tab, that is activities tab, wherein we can extract the activities. We can just drag it to the main workflow area so that the sequences can be created. And ultimately we have one more tab, that is the snippets tab, wherein we have some basic information related to the details that we have created. So let us go ahead and create the basic workflow to print the hello world message. So here I'll click on this open main workflow. This is the main area wherein we drop the activities to create the sequence or workflow so as to automate the task. So the first and foremost thing that I need to do here is I need to drag and drop this sequence here. So I need to create a sequence, a simple sequence. So the first activity that I would like to perform, or in fact the only activity that I would like to perform in this hello world process is I should get this message box. Here simply I'll type this message. So here we go. Here I got this message box activity. So I'll just drag it and drop it here, and it says it gives me a box to enter some text. So, and it also indicates it must be quoted. So with the quotations, I just print hello world and then the exclamation mark. That's it, we're done. So let me save this. I'll just hit on this, got saved. So let us run this. It is just a simple message box which prints hello world message. So I'll just go to this and click on this debug current file, and it is being debugged. So it says hello world 1 execution started in the output window. Yeah, this is our message box that is being displayed. A robot is working on this to print a hello world message on a message box like this. So once I hit on the OK button, the execution stops and we are back to the design tab wherein the sequence is created. So that's how we create a simple hello world message box using Uipath. Thank you for watching.